Ayan, tikman natin. Hugasan ko na.
Moshi moshi.
Here I'm planting catopla or potato. I need to start planting potato. So we need to like that.
I wasn't even starting it.
So noisy, sweetheart. I'm omelette is it. Nak, dili inananak. Ayo inanaa lang maglisod. Hello guys. So now we are just try to harvest our catopla or potato. Okay. So let's start. What you can see. Oh, they have already. Look, wait, here it is. It's a catopla. Oh, the muffins, sweetheart. Yeah, because we love to eat catopla, not too big size, just only melon size like that. Yes. Yeah, here. It's nice. Just like you just like harvesting up sweet potato. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Here, look. Maski knock si Tay.
Yeah.
Never worries knock. So this is all, guys. We just harvest just only this because just only me and my husband and my daughter, and we still in the diet daw. And here look, it's nice. I will take this. This is a good size. The cucumber there, like that. We will do that. We'll take it out. Look, I already take two. This is a good size. This size, and also here, because this is a small size of cucumber, like that. And also the other one here, you can see already here, and one here. You can see inside have around like this. It's two, but it's not. Also here, you can see have so many. And also here, so, and also our chili, look, sorry Dan, that, so it's nice. There it is. And the grapes also, something big, like that. So this is our first harvest of potato or katapa here, and also the small size of cucumber or agork here. That. Ito na yung cherry namin. Yung iba is ready already. Yan. Yan. Yan ang itsura. Ang dami ng pula. Ang iba is masarap na kainin. Ang iba hindi pa ready. Yan. Ayan na oh. Ayan, matamis to. Masarap. Ayan. Ayan. There it is. So today I'm going to take one of this. The new agork. The big size. I want to eat like this. So, and also here. Still have here. Here it is. Look. So I can eat that. I love to eat very fresh. And also my chili. Look. It's already have so many. This our tomato. Like that. Starting maybe next week. Here. Ayan. Ang sarap kainin kapag fresco yung pitas lang, bagong pitas. Here, this is our katapla, our potato, and this is the squash. Look, here is have one already, and here is still coming. And this, look, we have so many here. Is one. Look, I can see that. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces here. And also here, just 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 4. And this is our carrots. This is the carrots. And the carrot is already big already. Grown already. Look, this is the beetroot here for plants, and this is our beans. Look, maybe next week we will do something that, you know, put something when they are grown up already, so they have something. I forget what it is called like that. Yung lalagyan namin ng parang harang kapag tataas siya, yung paakyat na yung beans yun. Ayan. Malapit na to kasi namumulaklak na. Very nice.